Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching the video. My name is Nelly. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make videos about fashion, beauty, travel, lifestyle, literally everything about life. So today's video is a luxury unboxing. Not really, because it's already out of the box. I'm just revealing a bag I got while I was in Kuala Lumpur. I have been doing a series of vlogs just showcasing my trip and just the highlights of the trip, and most of you really enjoyed that series, so I'm very glad that you got to come with me to KL. I would really recommend Malaysia as a country to visit, especially as a solo traveler. There's so much to do, and everyone was really friendly. So I don't know what I'm going to title this video because it's not an unboxing. The bag I picked up, let's start from there. The bag I picked up whilst I was in KL is this bag. This is known as the Louis Vuitton NOE, and the color I got mine in is black. So it's black inside, black straps, and a black handle. So this is called the Noir, N-O-I-R. This bag comes in various colors. So there's a pink, I think there's a red, there's a blue, there's an orange, I don't know, I believe. So there's a variation, but I wanted the black. This bag has no fascetta. You know the light colored leather that's normally on Louis Vuitton items? This bag doesn't have that. So the leather is just, the strap is just leather, it's black, it doesn't patina, and also this strap that's used to close your bag is also leather. So that's how the bag looks like. The bottom has no feet, it's just a piece of canvas, and the leather is two pieces of canvas, front and back. They've just been joined together at the seam. And then it has these hooks right here, which just have beautiful branding. It says Louis Vuitton on either side, and this strap is detachable, so you can remove this strap actually, and you can take the strap off and then get a smaller strap, put it here, and you can rock this bag with a shorter strap. So I'm planning on buying a shorter strap. I got my belt hot stamped. It just says NM for Nelly Mwangi. Those are my initials. That's my name. So yeah, I just got it hot stamped. I just wanted a little bit of customization. Before I delve into why I got this bag and its pros and cons, because I have a few, I initially went to Louis Vuitton to get two things. I initially wanted the toiletry 26, which is not available anywhere on earth. So I wanted a toiletry 26. They didn't have one. I asked for the Louis Vuitton Alma BB with the LV monogram print, and then it had the fascetta at the bottom. They didn't have that as well. They only had it in damier bin, which is this print. So this is a damier bin print. They had it in that print, the Alma BB. I'll put a photo of the bag here. So they didn't have that. I just thought it's a cute little bag I can just be carrying around. It's very informal, just when I'm going out and about. It's really cute. I like the top handle as well as it has a long strap. So they didn't have that as well. But as I was waiting, they sort of sold me on this bag. And I started thinking about it because it is a bucket bag style. I don't own a bucket bag style. I've always wanted to get, if it's a bucket bag, I've always wanted to get it with a vintage brown, where it's brown half vachetta and the vachetta straps and all that. That's in my head. That's what I thought I wanted. But anyway, I went home and went back to my hotel. I'm sorry. Went into the internet and just started searching, and I fell in love with the black. And so the SA at the mall I went to, the Surya Mall, he'd give me his card. So I WhatsApped him and I said, I'm thinking about getting the bag, but you only showed me a pink one and a red one, but I'd like a black one. And he said, oh, those are so hard to find. And I was like, oh my God, is there anything available at Louis Vuitton? because at this point I was like, oh, I can't. So anyway, he said that's really difficult to find. Let me search through our system. There's another Louis Vuitton store in another mall, the other side of town. If they have that, then I'll let you know. So he WhatsApped me in about half an hour, and he said, you're lucky there's one piece. There's one piece available from our store. It was called Garden Mall. I've told them to reserve it for you, so you can go and check it out tomorrow. So as I was doing research on this bag on the internet, I realized there was 3-4 videos about people complaining that you have to be very careful when getting this bag. Either there was a couple of default bags that just seeped into the system, or there were fakes that seeped into the system, because people are complaining that the canvas didn't match, the side seam, it didn't match, the base was crooked, the stitching was crooked, and that is very unlike Louis Vuitton. So what I think is that there are very many fakes just doing rounds in the market, and if you don't get one from a Louis Vuitton store, maybe you're getting it pre-loved or just from a site that sells handbags, then it's very easy for you to be duped. So I was glad that I'm getting this bag from an actual store. It's not secondhand or from a second-hand retailer, or like just a second consignment store. You know what I mean. It's directly from the boutique. So yeah, it was my birthday gift to myself. I need to mention that this was a birthday gift to myself last year. So this video is timed around the same time I did an unboxing for that bag. I had never seen that bag before. I had ordered it from London and it came to Nairobi, and I was unboxing it with you guys for the first time, and it was just wow. But this one I had the pleasure of touching and feeling while in the store, which is such a beautiful experience. So it came with all the pomp and circumstance. So this is the bag that it came in, and I believe I posted this on my Insta stories and a lot of you went crazy. And it came in a very big box. It came in a huge box. Is it upside down? I believe, no, it's not. So it came in a huge box, and it also came with the Louis Vuitton ribbon. I don't know if you can see that. And my box, if you can see, there it is. It has a bit of yeah, it's damaged because I couldn't carry this box home. I'm now in Nairobi from KL without damaging it. I mean, my suitcase was not even big enough to carry this thing. So the bag came inside this beautiful box. It's a really nice box, and it's like textured, very hard, very nice. You can use this to store lots and lots of things. And it smells nice too. And it came in a dust bag. Let me just show you. Also came in this beautiful dust bag. And the minute I got to my hotel room, I unboxed it and I literally started using it. I actually carried this bag on my flight back home, and I've been using it since then. So I came back on the 2nd of November. Today I'm shooting this video is the 14th, so I've been carrying it for almost 2 weeks straight. I love this bag, oh my god. So anyway, yeah, dust bag, nice thick Louis Vuitton dust bag, which I just keep inside there. It also came with receipts. Paperwork is very important. I insist all the time for you guys to keep I insist all the time for you guys to keep your paperwork in case you want to sell the item. You have your receipt. It shows, you know, all the details. So which Louis Vuitton store it was. You know, like they've said it's been hot stamped. Lots of things. All the information about this bag, the serial number and everything, it's all in here. Sorry, here's another receipt. Yeah, so this is one that has the sort of ETR receipt and the price of the bag. So this bag was 6,950 ringgit, approximately $1,600, I believe. Yeah, so there we are. Yeah, so as I said, I've been carrying this bag for nearly 2 weeks. I love her. I'm not gonna put her down anytime soon. It's a very casual style bag, and I like my style. Well, it fits into my style of, you know, fashion and how I dress, because I'm between smart and just t-shirt, sweatpants. I'm like smart casual. So this works because I wear a lot of like jeans and a shirt, or just a pencil skirt and a blouse, simple but not too formal. So I don't do a pantsuit or like a skirt suit. No, I break it up, and this bag fits perfectly into my style. So we're gonna very quickly go through what's inside the bag. It's quite heavy but very comfortable because the strap is a double strap, and you can actually lengthen the length of the strap if you want. So I just open this and make it super long. See? So if you do it like that, it's really long. You can't even see, but it's meant to be one crossbody, and I can't wear a crossbody because I'm too short. I am 5'4", so I just like to wear it, you know, the original way, which is just like so. I love all the gold hardware on this bag. It's so beautiful and shiny. Everything is branded Louis Vuitton, and it's just in mint condition. I love it. It's a beautiful bag. So yeah, what's inside very quickly. So you get into the bag by opening these two straps, and you just open it, and then the bag opens, and it opens into like a bucket style. It's hollow, but it has a parting in the middle. You'll see it very shortly as I remove the things in my bag. It's a nice medium-sized bag, so it's not big and it's not tiny. I really get a lot in here, and you'll see, but also it's very, you know, compact, and it doesn't sag. So far my cons are 0, and my pros are it doesn't sag. You can wear it crossbody or just like this, like how I choose to wear it. It doesn't have any fascetta, so you will not be, you know, too fussy about it. You know, like, do I have oily hands? Will it stain if it's rained on? This is so carefree. You just wipe it and you're good to go. Yeah, so those are some of the pros of this bag. First and foremost, what's inside is my wallet. This is the Etoile wallet. I'm not French, so I don't know if I just butchered that. It looks like this. It's very old, this wallet, maybe 5 years old, and it opens like that, and you can just see it has a lot of card space, and you know, I have some money and some stuff, so I have a very big wallet in there. I also have this little cutie. You've seen this before in my videos. This is the mini pochette, and it just has also a lot. It smells nice in here. It has a lot of things. So I normally keep medicine. I have a pen. I have lip balm, lip gloss. I mean, another lip gloss, hand cream, just right now. Perfume. So I have these two fragrances. This is the Rose des Vents from Louis Vuitton. They gave me samples, and I have another one called Cuir Battant. They also gave me this. Scents are so nice. I actually want to get the latter, this one. If I can, I would love to get this one. They smell really good. So there's perfume samples in there. There's strepsils. So yeah, just bits and bobs. Next, I have a phone, and I have another lipstick. This is the lipstick I'm wearing today. Oops. This is the lipstick I'm wearing today. This is the Joanna K Cosmetics Limuru, one of my very favorites. I have not touched this lipstick up, guys. This is from 8 AM and it's now 5 o'clock. Some money. I was from the market, so I just threw that in there. Next, I have wipes. Oh, I have mint. This they're called Polo, you know, the fresh breath mints. Next, I have face moisturizer, but I'm sure I put this by mistake because I thought it was a lip balm because I have a lip balm I'm loving from Organic Savannah that's shaped the same way, so I'm sure I just carried that by mistake. Next, I have 2 books I'm reading. The first one is The 5 Love Languages, and this is by Gary Chapman. This is just a world's bestseller. Yeah, so I'm reading that. And I'm also reading one that has to do with marketing, and this is by Seth Godin. He is just a guru in marketing, and it's called Meatball Sunday. So this is really good book. It was recommended to me by a very smart person, so I trust their judgment. Then there's another. So now my bag is empty, see, but there's this compartment here which just has, I'll take it, my driving license, and a card. This came with some flowers. It's my birthday, so yeah, I got some flowers. Got some flowers, and I have a little sticky note, and I have a business card from African Interiors and Gifts. Okay, and then I have one more thing. Oh, I have a bag, the bag hook. You know the thing that you use to hook your, yeah, this one, hook your handbag, and I have that. So yeah, that's it. So the bag is just now hollow. There's nothing inside. It looks just like that. The inside is this microfiber that is so soft, and it doesn't get scuffed. So even if I scratch it with my nails, it doesn't leave any ugly, hideous marks. And the bag is lightweight, it's structured, and it is such a beauty and a joy to carry. It goes so well because of the monogram print, and it's just, I love it. I love it. It's the only bag I have that is shouting Louis Vuitton, but I like it so much. Yeah, and I don't regret buying this bag. So yeah, that's my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. If you want me to review my Speedy 30, I would love to. I haven't done a review on it. Let me know and I'll get on it ASAP. Love and light. Peace.